Hi guys! Today we're unboxing Sapphire Pulse AMD Radeon RX 6650 XT. It's the new model with faster clock, GDDR6 memory up to 17.5 gigabits per second and slightly overclocked GPU core. Unfortunately, no specs on the box, but let's see what's inside. And there's a box inside the box. A leaflet, another leaflet, a GPU, and nothing else. The GPU is very compact. With two fans and two heat pipes, or maybe no, two heat pipes, that's all. So you can't expect high power usage because it has only a single 8-pin power connector. On the front it's the usual 3 display ports and a single HDMI. The card, as you can see, is pretty much dual slot, so no problems with compatibility, and with its rather small size it should fit most of the ATX cases. That's it guys, bye!